Struggling to make sense of your digital marketing data? Learn how to use Google Analytics to focus on what works and make smarter decisions. Hey, I'm Dhaval Shah, co-founder and regional managing director at Two Stallions Digital Marketing Agency. No matter your role, marketing manager, executive, or business owner, this course gives you the skills to embrace data and build a data-driven culture. In this course, you'll learn how to map marketing KPIs to digital analytics metrics, set up and implement Google Analytics on a live website, analyze and interpret key reports, turn data into actionable optimization plans, make data-driven decisions for budget allocation and benchmarking, and redefine your approach to analytics with people, process, and technology. By the end, you'll know how to ask the right questions, align business goals with KPIs, track performance, and present insights with confidence. Turn raw data into real results. Enroll now.